Hello friend, welcome to your Lamrod Academy. I am telling about the bitwise operator in C programming. It is one of the biggest part you students try to understand but not able to understand. So I am telling about the simply way what is the bitwise operator and how to use the bitwise operator. Basically bitwise operator is 6 type of operators: binary AND operator, binary OR operator, binary XOR, binary ones complement, and left shift operator and right shift operator. Basically bitwise operator is working on bit by bit performance. So whatever number you doing the bitwise operation, first to change in the bit and then you analyze, you can understand very well. So first I am telling about how to the bit operation is working. So AND operator is working means P and Q both have a 1 1, then it give you result 1, else it will give you 0. Okay, so here is 0 and 0, it give you 0. Here 0 and 1 is to give 0, and here 1 1 both are 1, then you give you 1, or else 1 and 0 0. OR operator is checking if any of value of P and Q is 1, it give you result 1. Okay, this is checking OR. So here if both are 0 means it's 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 1 and 1 is 1, and 1 and 0 is 1. And XOR operator is checking any of the both the value as different types, means it give you 1. Here 0 and 0 means 0, here 0 and 1 means 1, here 1 and 1 is 0, and 1 and 0 is 1. Here is both are different, so they are giving 1, other time is giving you 0. Okay, so now I am showing you the one examples how the bitwise operator is working. So see here I have taken the two value, a equal to 60 and b equal to 13. So if 60, I have taken 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay, this is 60 operator. Here I have taken 30, means 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. So now I am using the comparisons how it's working. If you want to change this binary operation into numeric value, simply you do 0 into 2 to the power 0 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 to the power 7. So then you will get the result is 60. Same you can do 13, you will get. So now I am showing how the working AND operation. AND operation means I have told already, if both the condition is 1, then it give you result 1. See here 0 and 0 is 0, 0 and 0 0, 1 and 0 1 and 0 0 0, but here both 1 1, so here giving the result 1 1. So here is 0 0. Okay, so here, so this value of AND operator will print you 12. So you can convert this one, then you will get the result. If using OR operator, I have told already, any of the condition is 1, then it will give you result 1. So here is 1 1, here is 1 1, so here going 1 1, here 1 1 1 1, so here 1 and 1, or here 0 and 0 0, and 0 and 1 1. So if you change this value, then you will get 61. Okay, now is this one XOR operator. XOR I have told you already, if both are different, then it will give you 1. Okay, so here 0 and 0 0 and 0, so I get two zeros. Here 1 and 0 1 and 0, then I got 1 1, then I here 1 and 1 1 and 1, so here 0 and 0 0 and 0 0 and 0 and 1, so here you will get 1. So if you calculate this value, then you will got this value is 49. Now is the complement operator. So here if whatever, if you have 1, then put 0, and if 0, then is put 1. So here I have a value of a, so here it is 0, then I have put it 1. If 0, then I put it 1, 0 and 0, then I put it 1 and 1. If 1 and 1, then I put it 0 and 0. If 0 and 0, then I put it 1 and 1. So is the complement value is 61. Okay, here then I am showing you the left shift and right shift operator. Here the left shift operator, whatever value you have, to this is a, means we have taken the value of a. Left shift operator 2 means 2 times, so we need to left shift 2 times. Whatever value we have, each value we shift 2 times. See, so here putting 1 is, that's 1 position, this 1 is the second position, this 1 is third position, this 1 is fourth position, then 0 0, last 2 digit will put you 0 0. So here we see 1 1 1 1 0 0 0. So it will calculate this value, they will give you 214. Okay, here right shift operator, so putting the value in right side, 2 means 2 times. So here putting the value of right side 1 1, then 1 1, then 0 0, first 2 0 we put you 0 0. So 0 0 0 0 or 1 1 1 1. If you calculate this value, then you get 15. Okay, now I am running this program and showing you output what I have told is correct or not. So run this program, then you see the output. Here I have telling you it's 12, its value of C is 12, second is the value of C is 61, third is value of C is 49, fifth the value complement is because minus 61, and fifth is 214, and 6 is 15. Okay friend, still if you have any doubt, comment below, or if you need this code, then I have posted in the comment box, so you can use it. Thank you friends.